This meditation is here to help you release morning anxiety and step into your day with calm, strength, and clarity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and allow the healing music to carry you into peace. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Now exhale slowly, letting go of any heaviness or worry. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out distress. With each breath, imagine you are inhaling peace and exhaling anxiety. Your breath is the gentle wave that washes away fear, leaving only calm behind. Now, bring awareness to your body. Notice your shoulders. Allow them to soften. Feel your jaw unclench, your face relax. Let the healing music flow through you, melting away any tightness in your chest or stomach. With every note, your body feels lighter, your heart steadier, your mind clearer. Repeat silently or aloud as the music supports you. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My breath anchors me to peace. I step into today with calm and courage. Let these affirmations sink deeply into your heart, becoming your truth for the day ahead. Take one more deep breath in and sigh it out, releasing the last traces of worry. Feel your body restored, your mind at ease, your spirit lifted. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this calm, grounded energy into your day. Remember, peace is always within you, and you can return to this practice whenever you need it.